Australia vs West Indies head-to-head records in T20 international matches. Total matches 22. First match was played on June 20, 2008. Australia won 11 matches. West Indies won 11 matches. Australia lost 11 matches. West Indies lost 11 matches. 0 matches tied and 0 abandoned. 50s comparison. Australia has 18 all-time 50s, in which most 50s scored by David Warner, while West Indies has 18 all-time 50s, in which most 50s scored by Chris Gayle. Runs comparison. Most runs for Australia has been scored by David Warner. He has scored 662 runs, while most runs for West Indies has been scored by Chris Gayle. He has scored 420 runs. Highest individual score comparison. Highest score for Australia has been scored by Glenn Maxwell. He has scored 120 runs, while highest score for West Indies has been scored by Chris Gayle. He has scored 88 runs. Wickets comparison. Most wicket for Australia has been taken by Mitchell Starc. He has taken 14 wickets, while most wicket for West Indies has been taken by Hayden Walsh. He has taken 12 wickets. Best bowling in inning comparison. Best bowling figures for Australia has been achieved by Mitchell Starc, taken 4 wickets conceding 20 runs, while for West Indies it has been achieved by Obaid McCoy, taken 4 wickets conceding 26 runs. Ducks comparison. Australia has scored 16 all-time ducks, in which most ducks scored by David Hussey, while West Indies has scored 11 all-time ducks, in which most ducks scored by Nursing Donoreen. If you had liked our content, then please like, share and subscribe.